Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today you are going to see a huge haul. So if you guys have seen my previous video, you definitely know I visited IKEA, and if you have been following me for a long time, you know I have purchased a new house. I just wanted to get some decorative stuff for my house, and that is why I visited IKEA. It's far but we had to visit because before purchasing I wanted to see the quality, and I can assure you guys the quality of every product over there is really good. I was skeptical about purchasing it online because none of the people that I know and I am in touch with have been shopping from IKEA because it's far and no one actually had visited it. So I had to visit myself before getting so much stuff from there. I just hope this haul would be useful. If you guys like anything, I can assure the quality is really good. And yeah, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First one, this is the plant, that fake plant that I have purchased from IKEA. I have so many thoughts on how I want to decorate it, but let's see how I finally do it. But yeah, this is the fake plant that I have purchased. For now, it gives me a good prop in my videos, so it's here. We are on fake plants. This is another set that I have purchased. It's really cute. I have got some shelves as well, so I am planning to decorate it there. They are quite lightweight and shelves would be the good place. And lastly, in the plants category, I have this scented dried petals, flowers, everything. This in the house really give you a good fragrance, so I just purchased it and it's really good. And we are on fragrance, I have purchased this scented candle as well. I'm really into earthy smells, and this is not really like that, but ये forest वाली smell जो होती है इसमें से वैसी वाली खुशबू आती है. So yeah, this is the candle that I have purchased. And last, there is one more candle. They actually had very pretty colors in them. This is not scented, but it looks so nice. And because Christmas is coming up, they had different colored candles and they look pretty. But for now, I just went with the simple white one. I'm still looking forward to buying colorful candles. Next up are some holders that I have purchased. These are the holders that I want to show. These are not very expensive. Like what, it was something 30-35 rupees each. Yeah, these were not expensive, and which is why I purchased 4 of them. Now if I light up a candle, the ones that we get in the Diwali or Choti Wali, and if I light them up and put it in these, they are going to give a good shadow around and they would look pretty good, which is why I have purchased these, and these are really sturdy and look good as well. So next up is this. It is a lotus holder. It also has a screw fitting here, so I can just, if I want to wash it off, if I want to clean it, this is really nice. It's sturdy and good as well. So next up is this holder, and this is also quite sturdy, good. Now you can use it in different ways. You can fill up the water, you can light up candles in this, or you can also use it as a planter. You can keep your fake plants in this. I have so many ideas on how I can use this, but let's see how it ends up. Look at this. I was very skeptical about buying this because it actually looks good, but I don't know how to use it. This is something that I got on my way to the billing counter after hesitating to buy it for the whole time. So nice. See? Can we hang it like this somewhere? But I really like it. It costed around 550, 560. Okay, I got these 2 vases. Now I wanted to also buy some fake flowers to keep in, but I really when I went there and I saw the flowers there, I don't know, in the video they really, in other people's video, I have seen the plants look so good, or maybe I did not check out enough on the plants, on the fake flowers, but I got these 2 really aesthetic looking vases. This is like, it's so cute. So if you are around in a messy place which I do 99% of the time. But this is recently I have just started up, cleaning up spaces, making my place look more beautiful, and I really feel comfortable. And that is what the habit that I am building. So I really think that if I keep this, any of these, but this is the smaller one, so I'm going to prefer this one. And if I put some fake flowers and make my place look more beautiful, I'm going to be more productive at my work. So attracted to this one when I was checking some products online, and yeah, I really like this one. So this was like a impulse purchase that I have no idea about how I'm going to decorate it, but yeah, this looks good and I had to get one. um, Moving on to some kitchen items that I have brought is this. This is for oils and vinegar, it says. So it really looks good. I also want to decorate my kitchen in different ways, make it look really pretty. And yeah, this is how I'm going to start. So these are some oil containers. And more, I have got this. I have this non-stick pans, but I did not have these kind of spatulas, so I had to get one. And this wasn't really very expensive either. So this is my next kitchen purchase. Next up is this milk frother, and I really am looking forward to this one. If this is going to help me make my cold coffee, this is my everyday essential, and I'm going to drink cold coffee every single day. I love cold coffee. Like, next up, we have these spice jars. So like I said, I am looking forward to making my kitchen look more pretty. I have purchased these spice jars. I can keep salt and so many other spices in here. And because they are having black lids, they are going to just add to the theme of my kitchen, and they are going to look so good. So looking forward to arranging these. I still have so much stuff to show. I just thought it would be a 5-minute thing to show everything that I have purchased. Maybe the backstories are something that's making me feel this video is going to be so longer. Okay, whatever. Now let's move on to some storage items that I have purchased. It is a bag holder. Recently, out of nowhere, I am so much into purchasing new bags, and literally I have nowhere to go, but I have been collecting a few bags. This is the bag holder that I actually needed, and this is how it's going to look. I'm not opening it right now because it would just create so much mess. And yeah, so this is the bag holder. It's a storage box. It is a square shaped box, as you can see in here. So I have got this one to keep all my saris that I don't use, or I just need saris on very less occasions. So I'm going to keep all my saris in this, and just save some space in my cupboard for my other clothes. So this, oh, I have one more kitchen item. This was actually very random. I did not go with any intention to buy trees. So when I saw this, and I was like, it is completely matching my kitchen theme, and I should get this tree, and that is how I purchased it. So this is another impulse purchase that I did there. Next are these wooden hangers. They look so good, and I just liked how they look, and I purchased it. This was on my list anyway. I just wanted a few hangers to keep my, blazers, white shirt. That is really important. Next up is this. This is a table lamp. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. It's a focus light. Okay, I'll show this in coming videos. Maybe it's kind of a focus. It's not really expensive either. Next are some storage boxes that I have got. These are for my makeup storage. I can keep lipsticks, everything I can just arrange. I just got these two in this size, two the smaller one, and one in a bigger size. So I'm looking forward to putting up all my makeup in these, and I want to get more organized with my makeup because it's a mess all the time. Next up is again some storage, and it's again for the makeup. It's a set of 5 boxes inside. So 3 of one size and 2 are of different size. and they are pretty sturdy and they are actually very good looking as well. So I initially planned on getting this one, so this was on my list and I had to get it. It's really nice. I'll open it. Should I? Comes up with the lids and these are transparent. So this is a big box and there are these three in similar size, and lastly this is the biggest box. Can't wait to arrange all my storage. I just want to be more organized, guys. I'm just tired and fed up of myself for being so lazy all the time and doing nothing most of the day. I feel, I don't know, there are so many thoughts that go through. This is another storage, okay? I actually went to IKEA to get more of storage items. I even wanted to get some shoe rack, I wanted to get drawers, tables, and so many other things that I couldn't because I just saw the quality and I'm like, I'll order them online because we did not have enough space in our car. I could just fit in the small items, so that is how I have these things. Now this is a box. I can use this to store my jewelry. I've kept my jewelry actually very properly in the other storage box that I had purchased back a few months ago, but I wanted one more because other jewelry that I have so many boxes in there. Time I want to use one or the other jewelry, I just have to open all the boxes and I'm creating a mess. So I wanted to get another one where I can see all the items in one. So this is the big box that I have purchased. It has 5 compartments that I see, and for oxidized jewelry I wanted something, and I guess these 5 compartments would be enough. So this one is also a good purchase for me, and yeah, I just want to get more organized. So right now we saw most of the decorative items as well, but let me show you on what I'm going to decorate them on. So first up is this plank. This is for my router. Next up is this ledge, and this is for my office room. This would actually suit my office room, so that is why I got it in pink. So I'm just planning to put it like this. I'll store the plants in here and make it more decorative. This ledge. Now this is really big. This is the bigger one than the previous one that I showed, and this is for my living room. This ledge is something that I'm going to put above my TV and decorate it with the frames, fake plants, and so many other things. Let's see how, but yeah. Frames that I have purchased. Now these are in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors. I actually even want to get some posters in there. I'm also going to make sure that the posters that I print for these frames are motivational and aesthetic at the same time. I got them in 3 different colors and 3 different sizes because I want to um, put these frames in my office room, my living room, and yeah, there are a few spaces. There are two to three different spaces in my living room where I can hang these, and there are 2 spaces in my office room. So I am going to mix and match these sizes and colors, and I'm going to use these frames like that. These are not sets, you have to purchase them individually. So I got these. Next up, I also got a set of curtains for our balcony door, and they are already put up. So and they are good. They are pretty long, and I'll just show you the glimpse later after this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So in this video, everything that I have showed, and if there is anything that you have liked, make sure to buy it. It's really good quality, I can assure you on the quality. So I'll end the vlog here. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your close ones if anyone is planning to buy anything from IKEA. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.